Oh Jesus, back again with the Beast Max. This time with some oil filled shocks, oh my god. And some MJX tyres. Oh my god. I was not expecting that. I haven't driven it like this before. Maybe there's a reason why those tyres are not foam filled, because the stock tyres. Because this thing just wants to do standing backflips. Oh my, are you? Wait. That's... I was just about to say, I want to bring it back one more time after this with a different ESC and a different radio. Here we go. There you go. Seizure inducing lights. This thing's out of control. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Alright, we're gonna have to jump this. See how it does. Alright. Sun's out now, so this I don't know how I'm gonna go controlling this thing. Double backflip. I can't get full throttle with it anymore. This is out of control. I don't know how many that was. Hey, it's upright. I don't know how many flips that was, but that was a lot of flips. This thing's out of control. What in the world have I created here? So stock motor, stock ESC. You bleep the throttle a bit too hard and you overshoot. All I've done is added some oil filled shocks. Oh, that broke it. No, no, it looked like it was broken. Nope, didn't break. Sounded like it did, but it's all good. And we are gonna go bigger now. Let's see if I can get some good speed out of this. Yes. All right, I don't know how many flips that was. I actually lose count. These tires might be a bit much for it because there's so much more weight. That was just a tiniest bleep of the throttle. Oh, what did I break then? Or was it something that came out of the body? Nah, something's definitely gone amiss then. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So the body is caputa. That is no longer good. The shock here is jamming. That was a nasty hit. Eventually we had to kill it. I mean, oh god. Let's have a look. I'm going to zoom out here a little bit. God, everything I've taken out here today has broken. And oh, okay, so we've broken the shock tower there. That's busted. This shock's jamming a little bit, but everything, why didn't I get, oh yeah, no, something's definitely gone amiss because it's not turning anymore. It seems like it is. Or is it? Nah, there's something has gone amiss. I don't know if it's motor or ESC related, but we're not going to be experimenting anymore. That was nuts. This thing, I'm going to figure out what's going on. Maybe gears have jammed up or something, but I reckon it might be ESC related or maybe motor. I don't know, because I can turn the wheels. Or can I? Oh no, yeah, no, it's definitely, there you go, so it's locking up. I can't turn beyond that point. So yeah, wow, what a beast. definitely living up to its name. I'm going to fix this thing and bring it back here again. This thing is nuts.